Hello everyone, my name is Vasu Gupta and today I will presenting my embedded system development project titled Smart Cricket Systems. And the idea behind this project is bring a real-time performance tracking to cricket training and using affordable embedded hardware. My goal was to make a portable and cost-effective system that helps a mature player analyze their batting and bowling performance instantly. And let's start with the statements. And cricket is one of the most popular sports globally, and but tools for tracking player performance are often expensive and complex. Most local players and coaches still rely on manual scorekeeping and subjective assessments, which are often inaccurate and provide delay feedback. And existing systems like Hawkeye or video analysis software are powerful, but the cost of the thousands of dollars and are not portable of small practice sessions. And so the problem I want to solve: how can we provide a real-time portable affordable performance tracking system for a mature cricket? First of all, to solve this problem, I define both functional and non-functional requirements. Functional requirements are including capturing real-time motion data such as batting and bowling movement using sensor, and transmitting that data to processing unit for analysis, displaying performance analytical on web dashboard, and giving instant audio visual feedback through LED and buzzers. Non-functional requirements ensure that the system is reliable, portable, and easy to use even by some without technical knowledge. The design of principle are real-time tracking using sensor fusion and edge computing. Cost effective by using affordable boards like Arduino Nano 33 IoT and Raspberry Pi 4. And the meaning of separate microcontroller handles sensing and processing. And finally, user center design, keeping the dashboard intuitive mode. And in this hardware and network architecture, the system uses several components. For example, sensor built into Arduino Nano 33 IoT and measuring motion through a accelerometer and gyroscope data, and ultrasonic sensor to measure the ball speed, and LED and buzzer for a real-time feedback. And the Arduino Nano 33 IoT handles the data collection and sends it over Wi-Fi. And the Raspberry Pi performs analytical run machine learning inference, store data, and hosts the dashboard. And the network architecture look like this: the data flow from sensor Arduino Nano and Raspberry Pi to cloud dashboard user interface, and communication between Arduino and Pi happens over I2C for fast data transfer. And the Pi connect to the web via Wi-Fi using HTTP REST APIs, and optional MQTT can send real-time alert to coaches. And when the player swing the bat or the uh, IMU sensor measure the acceleration and angular velocity, and the ultrasonic sensor detect the speed of the ball. And these readings are sent from the Arduino Nano 33 IoT to the Raspberry Pi, where my Python program process them, and the data is analyzed to determine metrics such as swing intensity and speed and accuracy at the same time. And LED provide color coded visual feedback, for example green for a good performance and red for a low performance. And the buzzer gives an audio alert. All the processed results are displayed on a web dashboard, and so that the player or coaches can instantly review the performance. Here you can see my hardware setup photo, and the Arduino Nano is connected with the sensor, and the Raspberry Pi runs the Python code